You can actually find CNC aluminum machining applied in all kinds of things, from electronic devices and mechanical parts to everyday items. From durable housings to precision structural parts and even complex curved surfaces, they may look different, but they all share one thing in common: CNC machining. The difference lies in their requirements for accuracy, surface quality, and processing methods. Today, let's take a closer look at the three typical types of alumina parts. Through the three case studies, we'll explore the machining features and the CNC strategies behind it. Let's start with the alumina housings. They are like the exoskeleton of a device. They are designed not only to protect the internal structure, but also to look good and fit together with precision. Take this one, for example, an aluminum 6061 motor controller housing for a new energy vehicle. It needs to meet multiple requirements at the same time: lightweight, sealed, and thermally efficient. With such a complex structure, the machining process is highly demanding. At WayKen, we use high-rigidity head for excess machining center. During roughly, it cuts large amounts of material in a single pass, achieving high speed and efficiency. For finishing, the machine integrates drilling, drilling, milling, boring, and tapping, all in one setup. It's also equipped with a probe, allowing in-process inspection while machining. This ensures not only the efficiency of large part production, but also tight control over critical dimensions. Another example is the custom aluminum 6063 headphone housing. Here, surface quality is everything. Any tool marks would be magnified after anodizing, so we strictly control the machining patterns to make sure the appearance is flawless. Now, let's move on to the precision structural aluminum parts. These components are not about looks, they are built to do the work. Their main roles are precision in transmission and load bearing, which means the demand on accuracy and reliability are extremely high. Take this part, the core controller component made of aluminum 6061. Its internal structure are extremely high, which involves deep-hole machining with very strict precision requirements. From the 2D drawing, you can see there are more than 20 precision holes with tolerances. Some of these holes must meet a concentricity tolerance of 0.04 mm, while others must meet a perpendicularity tolerance of 0.04 mm. In addition, there are over 10 H6 grade threaded holes with position tolerance, also controlled within 0.04 mm. Another example is a precision shaft made from aluminum 7075. Since it requires extremely high rotational accuracy and tight tolerances, we can use its turn mill machining to complete the part in a single setup, ensuring stable and reliable performance at high speeds. And then, the aluminum 6061 internal guide rail assembly. As the motion reference for the entire device, its straightness and hole position accuracy must strictly meet the drawing requirements. Any deviation would accumulate during operation, ultimately causing the whole machine to run off track. Finally, let's look at the third type, complex curved alumina parts, the true ceiling of CNC machining, often used in optical and aerospace applications, where surface accuracy and roughness are held to the highest standards. Here's the typical example: the automotive reflector clamp made of aluminum 6061. It directly determines the brightness and the light distribution of the headlight, so its surface must be smooth as a mirror. Even the slightest tool mark could affect the optical performance. At WayKen, we use high-speed 5-axis machining centers combined with 0.15 mm small cutters for fine corner finishing, machining layer by layer to achieve smooth transitions and sharp details. This is followed by high polishing by our finishing team together with aluminum plating to deliver a flawless mirror-like finish that fully meets the stringent standards of optical reflection. Another example is an aluminum 6061 impeller. Its blades are thin, curved, and highly complex. Machining must prevent deformation while keeping the flow line smooth and continuous. Here too, 5-axis machining is essential to maintain accuracy and consistency across every blade surface. Each type of aluminum part has its own unique machining characteristics. At WayKen, we rely on our one-stop CNC machining services and extensive experience to develop the right solutions for different components. Precision and reliability are our core values, and we welcome the opportunity to work with you. on your aluminum machining projects.